Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. So something like, maybe not like that, something like that. And here we've got the recents. And basically, if you wish to close all of those apps, all you have to do is to tap on close. Then let's go back, and as you can see here, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.